Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix zarchiver data access denied. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your mobile settings, then here, scroll down and find Apps section. Once found, tap on it and you will be on this page where all of your installed apps will be displayed. Here, simply search for zarchiver and tap on it to open its info. Here, scroll down and tap on Storage section. In the Storage section, first clear cache of the app and then clear data as well. Once you do that, all of the bugs from your app will be eliminated. Now, go back to your home page and open your Play Store. Then go to search bar and search for zarchiver. Once found, make sure that it is updated to latest version available and that your issue will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix zarchiver data access denied. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.